Okay, hey guys, so we are creating a laundry sign for our washroom. Chris is drilling in, what do you call it, Rod? Let's see. It's a bracket. Yeah, it's like a shelf bracket that you can use. We got it from Home Depot. How much was? This is a black finish one. I think it's like $8 or something. I think it's like $8. So yeah, we decided to go with this font, and it is brown letters. So we'll show you how it's in a second. This is the final look, guys. Yes! I'm so excited.